And the third Khalifa was once asked the question when the new Islamic century started कि हुजूर ये बताइए कि इस सदी का मुजद्दिद कौन है? You know what he said? वो तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा है. He proclaimed that he, Mirza Nasir Ahmed, was a mujaddid. So it's all very clever.
You know, Izhar Bhai, when he was saying that he is the mujaddid, he forgot Mirza Sahib has said he is the last mujaddid.
Well, he probably didn't read it, hadn't read it.
This is Ruhani Khazain, volume 22, पेज नंबर 201. मिर्जा सेज आखिरी मुजद्दिद इस उम्मत का मसीह मऊद है जो आखिरी जमाना में जाहिर होगा. He is saying that the last reviver of this ummah is the promised Messiah who will come in the later days. So it's not Hasan Bhai, not Nabi, even a mujaddid cannot come anymore. And anyone who knows about Mirza Sahib, he started his career slowly as a mujaddid and then he continued to evolve his claim. And this is on the screen. Everybody can check this reference. Hasan Bhai, if even a mujaddid cannot come in this ummah, because he said आखिरी मुजद्दिद इस उम्मत का मसीह मऊद होगा जो आखिरी जमाना में आएगा. The last reviver of this ummah is the promised Messiah. How the Ahmadi have the audacity to say we don't know? Mirza Sahib has made it very clear.